There are lots of car audio receivers you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these car audio receivers are helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Comeco 7. The Comeco 7 Double-DIN Car Stereo Audio Bluetooth MP5 Player is an advanced multimedia system designed to enhance your driving experience. Featuring a 7-inch full-color touchscreen, this unit offers clear and intuitive control over your audio and video playback. Equipped with Bluetooth technology, it allows for hands-free calling and seamless music streaming from your smartphone. The MP5 player supports various file formats and includes a USB port for easy access to your media library. The stereo also comes with an FM radio tuner, giving you the option to listen to your favorite stations while on the road. Included with the stereo is a 4-LED mini backup camera, providing a clear view of what's behind your vehicle to assist with parking and reversing. The system supports mobile phone synchronization, ensuring that your device integrates smoothly with the stereo's features. Additionally, a steering wheel remote is included, allowing for convenient operation without distractions. This car stereo is designed to fit most vehicles with double dining slots, making it a versatile upgrade for your car's entertainment system. Number 2. Podofo Car Stereo. The Podofo Car Stereo 2-DIN Car Radio is a versatile 7-inch MP5 player, designed to enhance your driving experience with its advanced multimedia features. Featuring a high-definition touchscreen digital display, this car stereo ensures clear and easy navigation through its menu and settings. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls effortlessly. The system also includes USB and South Dakota card slots for convenient access to your favorite tunes, and an O-in port for additional audio sources. The double-DIN design ensures a seamless fit in most vehicles, while the mobile phone interconnection feature lets you integrate your smartphone for enhanced functionality. The package includes a backup camera for added safety, helping you to park and reverse with confidence. This car stereo not only provides entertainment, but also enhances driving convenience and safety with its comprehensive set of features. Whether you're looking to upgrade your car's audio system or add modern tech, the Podofo Car Stereo delivers a range of practical and enjoyable capabilities. Number 3. Nafe Double-DIN Car Stereo. The Nafe Double-DIN Car Stereo offers a range of features designed to enhance your driving experience. It is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for easy access to apps, navigation, and music. The 7-inch HD touchscreen provides a clear and intuitive interface for controlling various functions. This car stereo includes Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable drive. Additionally, it comes with a backup camera to assist with parking and reversing, improving safety. The Mirror Link feature allows you to display your phone screen on the stereo, giving you quick access to your apps and media. With multiple input options including USB, O, and TF card slots, as well as support for subwoofers, you can enjoy high-quality audio and tailor your listening experience. FM radio capability is also included, giving you access to your favorite radio stations. Number 4. Double-DIN Car Stereo. A double-DIN car stereo radio is a versatile and modern vehicle entertainment solution, offering enhanced audio quality and numerous connectivity options. Compatible with most cars, it typically features a larger touchscreen display, allowing for easy navigation, music control, and hands-free calling. These stereos often support Bluetooth, USB, and O connections, providing seamless smartphone integration for streaming music, using apps, and accessing navigation. Some models even include Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatibility, enabling a safer driving experience by using voice commands. With options for AM/FM radio, CD/DVD playback, and support for various audio and video formats, a double-DIN stereo brings a new level of convenience and enjoyment to any journey. Additionally, many units offer customizable sound settings, GPS navigation, and backup camera inputs, making them a practical and stylish upgrade for any car. Number 5. Lamto 9.26. The Lamto 9.26 wireless car stereo is a feature-rich multimedia system designed to enhance your driving experience. This versatile car stereo integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and offers a robust 2.5K dash cam to capture every moment on the road in high definition. It comes with a 1080p backup camera to ensure safer reversing and parking. The large 9.26-inch portable touchscreen provides intuitive GPS navigation, making route planning effortless and efficient. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair your smartphone for hands-free calls and music streaming. The system supports AirPlay, allowing for wireless mirroring of your iOS devices, and includes O and FM options for additional audio sources. Designed with Google and Siri compatibility, it offers voice control features for a safer and more convenient driving experience. This all-in-one car stereo system ensures you stay connected and entertained while on the go.